Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota RAV4 cabin air filter. First, gather your new cabin air filter and any basic tools, though often none are needed. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality. Replacing the filter regularly, perhaps every 15,000 miles, helps remove dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, ensuring a healthier and more pleasant driving experience for everyone inside. To access the cabin air filter, start by opening your glove compartment. Look for a small dampener arm on the right side. Gently detach it. Next, carefully push inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. It's a straightforward step that opens up the area you need to work in. Once the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. Unclip it, usually by pressing 2 tabs, and then carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. Notice how dirty it might be. Before inserting the new filter, check the airflow arrow on its side. Ensure this arrow points downwards, matching the direction of air entering the cabin. Gently slide the new filter into the slot until it's fully seated. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring it clicks securely. Then, lift the glove box and push the side stops back into their original positions. Finally, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Close the glove compartment and you're all done. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, and now you can enjoy significantly cleaner and fresher air inside your Toyota RAV4.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.